Question number 9. Solve the equation log base 2 of x plus 1 minus 4 times log base x plus 1 of 2 is 3. We know that log base of x plus 1 of 2 is equals to 1 over log base 2 of x plus 1. So we can use this formula and apply in the given equation. So log 2 base 2 of x plus 1 minus 4 times log base x plus 1 of 2 is equals to 1 over log base 2 of x plus 1. So 1 over log base 2 of x plus 1, which is equals to 3. Taking LCM, we will have log 2 of x plus 1 times log base 2 of x plus 1 minus 4 is equals to 3, and in denominator we will have log base 2 of x plus 1. Let y is equals to log base 2 of x plus 1. So y times y minus 4 over y is equals to 3, and y square minus 4 is equals to 3y, and we will have y square minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Can be solved by negative 4 times 1 is equals to negative 4, and negative 4 times 1 is also equals to negative 4, and when we add negative 4 plus 1 we will have negative 3. So we can use these calculations to solve this quadratic equation. So y square minus 4y plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Taking y common, we will have y minus 4. Taking plus 1 common, we will have y minus 4 equal to 0. So we have two factors y plus 1 times y minus 4 equal to 0. Equating each factor, we will have y plus 1 equal to 0 and y minus 4 equal to 0. In this case, y is equal to negative 1, and in this case, y is equal to 4. We considered the y is equal to log base 2 of x plus 1. So log base 2 of x plus 1 is equal to y. First we plug negative 1. On the other side, log base 2 of x plus 1 is equal to another value of y, which is 4. So solving this log, we will have x plus 1 is equal to base to the power of negative 1. Similarly, x plus 1 is equal to 2, which is the base to the power of 4. So x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 2, and x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1, and x is equal to negative half. On the other side, x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, and x is equal to 16 minus 1, so x is equal to 15. So we have two values of x which are negative half and 15, which was required.